Hello everyone. My name is Robert Ho. Today is March 22nd, 2020, Sunday at 8:22 p.m. As many of you have known that we are experiencing a pandemic of coronavirus or COVID-19, so we may not know when we will have face-to-face class again. So I created this. So I create this PowerPoint for students so you can watch and view my lecture. Okay. The last week, I think last week before spring break, we finished up to slide number 10. Okay. So be sure you look over to your note again. And now I'm going to start with slide number 11. Okay, mobile operating systems. Make sure that before we go over this slide on slide 11, make sure you know what is operating systems. Okay, operating system is a program that is used to control the activities of the hardware and for the user to communicate with the computers. Okay, the different type of operating system. The first one is called Apple iOS. Okay, the Apple iOS was created by Apple iPhone. Okay, the latest one of iPhone operating system, I believe, is version 11. Let's take a look at it. iPhone iOS, latest one. All right. So we are on. Where is this? iPhone iOS, the latest one. So the latest iOS is version 13. Okay, it says here the latest major version of Apple operating system iOS is 13 point something. Let's check it out here for the exact numbers. Here I usually like to go to this Apple iOS. Let's go to the website Apple support, and this one 13.3. Okay, this is the latest one as of today, 13.1. Okay, if I scroll it down, it will tell you here uh, 13.0. Okay, so let me double check. Okay, so I'm gonna pause on the video and iPhone. Okay, I'm going to go to iPhone, iPhone 11, the operating system. Let me see, learn more. Uh, and then we're going to go to here. Let me scroll it down. Wow, I think the text specification is better here. Okay, since it is low, I'm gonna just move on the next slide here. Okay, so the different type of mobile operating system. The first one is called Apple iOS, and the second one is Android. Okay, like Linux, Android is an open source operating system. Let's take a look the latest one. Okay, latest Android operating system. At this moment, we are using let's go to the Android system, Android 10. Okay. That is the latest operating system, Android 10. Okay. All right. My internet is slow, so I will move on to the next one. BlackBerry, the company already shut down. So in the past, BlackBerry used to be popular, but the most common one is Apple iOS, Android, and Windows 10 mobiles. Okay, these run on Microsoft smartphone. Okay, I believe these three are the major mobile operating system with which Android and Apple are the top two. Mobile, I don't see that much anymore. All right. Okay. So utilities, right? What is utilities? Utilities are programs that are enhanced or used to extend an operating system capabilities. Okay. For example, let me give you some example of utilities program. Okay. If I go to the next one, okay, the first one is called antivirus program. Okay, this is an example of utilities program. Antivirus, if you go to filehippo.com here, okay, here I just come up, Android 10 just showed up on my screen. So this is the latest one. Okay, uh, this is the latest Android 10 operating system. So whenever you get a chance, you can take a look at it. Just type android.com/android-10. Okay. If students go to this website, filehippo.com, okay, you all can see this program, antivirus program for free. Okay. Let me pause this video. Okay, I think I already fixed the internet issue. All right. So an example of a security utilities programs are as follow. The first one is antivirus. Okay. If students go to this website, filehippo.com, they can download free antivirus here. It's called Avast. Okay. Or you can download also AVGs. Okay. These are free program for personal use, but not for commercials. Okay. So if any one of your friends do not have the antivirus program in their computer, you can refer them to this website and download either one of these. Okay. Another one is anti-malware, right? Where can you download anti-malware? Okay. This is called Malwarebyte. Okay. Malwarebyte. Okay. This is also a good one. Okay. Malwarebyte. Malwarebyte, they give you a trial version here, so you can download this one. Okay. However, nowadays, because of technology keep changing, so you can download a total antivirus solution. This one consists of firewall, antivirus, and anti-malware. All of these are together. Let me show it to you. Okay, this is a antivirus solution. So in the past, company used to sell this separately, but nowadays they combine all of this together. I don't think I can go to file hippo. I need to go to total PC protection. Here we go. Total PC protection. Here we go. Make AV sell this for $39 or total AV. Okay, these are consist of anti-malware, antivirus, phishing, okay, and ransomware. All of this is protected under one program, one solution. However, this program is not free, so students normally need to purchase this. Okay, so these are utilities. All right, utilities are programs that are used to enhance or extended an operating system capabilities. For example, like antivirus, anti-malware, or total antivirus solution. Okay. The rest, they have firewall, encryption. Firewall is basically, if you go to Windows control panel here, if you go to control panel, you need to enable the firewall here. Let me see, system security. If students do not enable the firewall, then his or her PC may be vulnerable with hacking. So please make sure that student enable this firewall. Encryption, okay, when you purchase total, uh, when student purchase the total PC protection, it comes with encryption, password management, and parental control. All right. Okay. So let's go to the next one. The next one is virtual machine. So what is virtual machine? Virtual machine is a special environment that allows you to run operating system on top of the other one. Okay, the software that allow you to run the virtual machine is called virtualization software. Let me give you an example. An example of virtualization software is here, VMware or VirtualBox. And there is another one called Microsoft hypervisors. Okay, so I think I have a questions here. Okay, make sure that you explain this, discuss about mobile operating system. Make sure you discuss it, discuss and explain. That means you need to write about 4 to 5 paragraphs, discuss and explain, okay, about mobile operating system and what is the different categories of utilities program that I just mentioned to you. You have antivirus, anti-malware, total PC protection that protect your PC in one solution. Okay, so number 5 and number 6. Okay, let's move on to the next one here. The next one is virtualization. I think we just discussed that. Okay, storage optimization utilities. Okay, before you can use the hard disk or the USB drive, normally we need to format it. What does it mean by formatting? Formatting is the process of preparing the storage device for use by the operating system. So if students do not format the USB drive, the USB disk, or the hard disk, they may not be ready to use. So be sure that students need to format the USB or the hard drive. Normally nowadays, when you guys purchase a USB or hard disk on Best Buy or Walmart, they already formatted. But in the past, you need to do on your own. This defragmentation means optimization or reorganize the file and fragment to place all the related files to each other. That means when students run the computer almost every day, at the end of the semester, you may need to run this defragmentation. Let me show it to you how to do that. This defrag, here we go, right? You do run this defragmentation. You also can do a disk cleanup, okay? So this helps to organize your PC to run smoothly and efficiently. File compression, that means is a utilities that allows you to squeeze big file into smaller one. These are the most common one, okay? The most common one is called WinZip. Either WinZip or 7-zip. These are the free one, okay? So if you want to compress a file, you need to download this one, WinZip or 7-zip. This is called file compression. You see this? Okay. All right. So now you know the different type of storage optimization. You have formatting, disk fragmentation, disk cleanup, and file compressions. Let's move on to the next one. What is backup? Backup means when you want to make a copy of one or more file in case the originals become lost or damaged. This is very important. At the end of the semester, I always back up my grade books. Okay, 2 weeks before the semester finish, I always back up my grade book, because in case my computer fail, or in case the computer crash, in case my laptop crash, I still have a backup. And you can also do a cloud backup using Google Drive or Microsoft 365. Okay. All right. This wiping and recovery. If you have iPhone, right, or Windows PC, you can also do this recovery or this wiping. Sometimes your Windows crash, so the only way to fix your PC is through a recovery. Okay. This wiping is mean you remove all your files from computer that you are selling or giving away, because you don't want to have your information transferred to other persons when you give or donate your PC to other people. Okay, so that is called this wiping. You can go to the Google and find free this wiping program. This wiping program. This is very important, especially if you have a lot of confidential data. Okay, so you need to go to Google and download this free this wiping program, and you need to wipe all of your hard disk, or you can reset it to the factory default. That means it's like a brand new. You see this? They give you some of this registry cleaner or mini partition tools. Do some research about it. And this wipe, you see, this is a free portable window application for permanent volume data destruction. Okay. All right, let's move on to the next one. The next one is called file management. Okay, file management. That means you need to know what is file path is. File path consists of drive layer, folder, subfolder, and the file itself. Okay, let me give you an example. I would like to open my Word document here. Okay, so I'm going to type a file like C:, okay, that is called the drive layer. Okay. Let me make this a bigger size. C:, that's called the drive layer, slash, I'm gonna put computer class, and then I'm gonna create a subfolder called Excel. Okay, and within this subfolder, then I can put my lab 1 Excel in here. Lab 1 Excel XLSX, right? That is called the extension. All right, so you need to know what is drive letter, folder, subfolder, and files, right? This is called file path. That means it's a complete address that describes the exact location of the file, like this one. C:, backslash computer class, which is a folder, and another subfolder is called Excel. And whenever student finish the lab, you can put it in this subfolder. Otherwise, the file will be placed all over the place. Will be put in all over the place. Okay, so this file management. File extension is this one. When you work on the Excel lab, this is called the file extension, XLSX. Okay, move on to the next one, managing your file. You need to know the difference between copy and move. When you copy, that means you place a copy of the object that are currently selected into the clipboard and putting in the new location. When you move a file, there will be no more in the original place. It will be in the new place. Okay, so you can also do copy and paste, cut and paste, or delete. Okay, I'm gonna stop right here first for slide because I don't want to have a lecture more than 10 minutes. Okay, I will continue on the second video for part number 2. Don't forget, I'm going to don't forget to answer some of these questions. Okay, I will post this on the Blackboard so student can answer this in Microsoft Word. Remember, before spring break, we do the first 4 of them. So make sure you finish. Make sure that student complete the first 4 questions and then continue to the next question here. Discuss and explain what is mobile OS and the different category of utilities program. All right? Okay, so thank you. So I will see you in the next uh, presentation. And be sure you stay safe during this pandemic of COVID-19. Thank you.